Manufacturing processes have become more automated than ever before. This means that robots are highly involved in production and in close contact with human counterparts. Consequently, workplace safety has become critical. The automation industry, especially in its production lines, has often struggled to find robots that match their unique optimization use cases. Sometimes the wide selection of off-the-shelf robots on the market doesn't satisfy application requirements. NexCOBOT is committed to being your trustworthy partner in building open and modular intelligent robot and motion control solutions. NexCOBOT's expanded applications include CNC machining, AI inspection, environmental industry, glue dispensing, autonomous mobile robot, AMR, for factory logistics and mobile cobots. Our in-house R&D teams have more than 10 years' experience in designing robot controllers. NexCOBOT aims to provide flexible open platforms for customers to get their robot system from concept to market faster. NexMotion Studio is a software configuration tool for users to set up EtherCAT topology and robot configurations and parameters. Robot Control 3D Simulation. NexTPUI is Human Machine Interface (HMI) software for industrial robot applications and development. NexCOBOT is proud to provide the first x86 functional safety control platform, SCB-100. SCB-100 eliminates gaps in development and makes the process of building safe robots efficient and cost-effective. From industrial and collaborative to specific task applications, NexCOBOT provides key components for any robot system. NexCOBOT, open robots and machines.